All right. Welcome back to Brett's RV and Marine here in beautiful and sunny Missoula, Montana. I'm Dave, and this is a Barletta pontoon boat, but not just any boat. My buddy Scott here at Brett's RV is going to give you a tour of what makes this special, and it is a rock star of a boat.
We're going to go over the brand new 2023 Barletta 25 UC Corsa. This is a boat near and dear. This is the same boat I actually own. So I'm going to do a quick walk around and show you what it's all about. Right here you can just see this is one of their new colors for 2023. Just beautiful. It kind of turns purpley, blue, just depending on how the light hits it. It is just gorgeous. As we come around the side here, you can see the spray rails. This is going to keep you nice and dry on some of those really, I guess, windy days when you got big 5-foot swells out on the lake. So keep you nice and dry. This is new for 2023. Look at this ladder. I mean, this thing is beefy. It's deep. I'm 200 pounds. No problem whatsoever. Super deep. Kids can get on and off the boat with ease. This one actually features the Mercury 400 Verado. This thing is a machine. You want to get from A to B on the lake, get off on a bad storm, this is the engine you're going to want, the 400 Mercury Verado. All right, so what I want to show you here is this thing actually has a dual stage lifting strakes on both the interior tubes. So right here you can see the angle aluminum here, 2 different stages. Same with on this side, 2 different stages all the way down. It's also got the skin the whole way down the interior of the boat here. So this is going to get you up on plane. That 400, it'll put you up right where you need to be, and you're going to have a lot of fun with the kiddos. All right, this is called the Ultra Lounge. This thing is amazing. It's so versatile. You got your Cheerio chuckers. You got Mama, she wants to get some sun. It's cold, but there's sun out. So what a great concept. Let me show you how this Ultra Lounge works. So right now, you can be looking at the outside of the boat going down the lake. Let's say you want to have a little bit more safety. You can actually just roll this here. Now you got seating right up front here. Now let's say some of those friends that never pay for gas show up and you need to seat more people. Now you can do back-to-back loungers, seat way more people, super comfortable. Now, let's say you're out on the lake, maybe had a couple too many cocktails, don't want to drive and get yourself in trouble. Bring a sleeping bag, and now you have a bed. That is the Ultra Lounge. It is the ultimate. All right, so now we're going to check out the helm. This is amazing. So this is the UCA. The UCA stands for Ultra Lounge, second captain's chair, and this one features the arch. So this is great for wakeboarding. It's going to get your rope a little bit higher above the boat. With that 400, you're not going to have a problem pulling 15 people behind you if you wanted to. Okay, so we got the helm here. It is a raised helm. If you see here, I'm sitting up nice and high. I don't have all the plastic that breaks all the time. It also has the Simrad system, so this is going to have your depth. It's going to actually respond to your engine. It's going to show you all your fuel levels, pressure levels, and it also will kind of dictate where you're at on the lake, and it's a GPS-driven unit, so pretty amazing there. So what I'm standing in here is that middle tube. Most of this is dead space, and 90% of your boats, this is actually all storage. You have 7 feet of storage here. I'm all the way up to above my knees here. Tons of storage. It all locks and it all filters. So if you have wet gear, you throw it in here, your bilge system will get rid of that water. Nice non-slip mat on top of it. And if you also look at the floors, this is all seaweed flooring, micro antimicrobial, won't stain, won't mildew. And the one thing that everybody likes, we all have our little pets. So right here, we're gonna have our pet dish. Now you're not tripping over the water and the kibble and everything else. You can also use it for storage if need be. All right, so the front of this 25 UCA, it is ginormous. I'm again 5'10". I don't know how many people you can sit up here, but there's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 just up front. Tons of storage underneath all the seats. And on a really cool hinge system, so you're not having to lift your cushion the whole entire time. Also, this has the premium JBL sound system. Just an amazing sound quality. Subwoofer is going to be underneath here. The other thing, trash cans. These guys think about everything. So right here you got your trash can. Throw empty bottles, Coke bottles, maybe some beer bottles if you wanted, in there as well.
What do you think? Ready to hit the water? Hey, for more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV and Marine, check out the link below this video or check out brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios.